If you're having a problem with any MSN app, like Weather, Money, News, or any other Microsoft app, and it just won't open or keeps showing an update error, don't worry because this is a quick fix you can try right now. Before we start, if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. First, close the MSN app completely. Make sure it is not running in the background. Then press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the Run window, type Wsreset.exe and press Enter. This command resets the Microsoft Store cache, which often fixes app update and launch problems for MSN apps. After that, just wait for the command to finish. You may see a blank window for a moment, and that is completely normal. Once it closes, try opening the MSN app again. In many cases, it should work properly now and load without the update error. If it still gives you trouble, you can repeat the steps one more time, but usually this simple reset is enough to get everything working again. So that's it. Close the app, run Wsreset.exe, wait for it to finish, and reopen the MSN app. If this video solved the issue, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next quick fix.